Yes, this is my first session of chemistry regarding an atom. Yes, everything that we can see and feel around us simply termed as matter. Even now that we clarify the matter simply into three stages like solid, liquid, gases. These solid phase, liquid phase combine together form a new stage that is semi-solid liquid, semi-solid phase. This is in gummy nature, right? But have you ever thought about what the matter is made up of? Well, this question is not a new one, but many people have an attempt to answer this question. Reported evidence stated that around 500 BC, an Indian philosopher Maharshi Kanda has introduced the Paraman theory. He just said, when the matter divided into small tiny particles, it gets a state that we cannot divide the matter further. That state of matter is called an atom. We have a question now. Can we see the atom with our naked eye? No, we can't see with the naked eye. Only with a huge equipment only we can see and that atom. For example, our human hair is roughly 5000 times wider than an atom. Let's see what the atom composed of. Yes, the atom has three fundamental particles named protons, electrons and neutrons. Right. This protons has a positively charge where the electrons with the negatively charged neutrons has no charge. The central portion of the atom called nucleus. In this nucleus, there are positively charged protons and no charged neutrons are present inside the nucleus. Right. Around this nucleus, the electrons with the specified paths are spinning. These specific paths called shells or orbits, right? Shells or orbits. Okay, so that the atom has same number of positively charged protons and same number of negatively charged electrons, so that the atom is electrically neutral. These electrons are distributed around the nucleus in the specified paths called shells or orbit, namely KLMN. This was introduced by the Niels Bohr in 1962. Okay, I already told you, these orbits are namely KLMN shells, right? Okay, the outermost shell called the valence shell, right? The maximum number of electrons present in the orbit or the shell is decided by the formula 2n square, where n represents the energy level of an orbit, right? This K shell is the first shell, so that its number is 1. We substitute the number into n, 2n square formula, we get the number of electrons can accommodate in this shell, so that K shell has two electrons can accommodate in this shell. Likewise, L is the second shell, we got 8. Here is the number of electrons can accommodate in this shell is 8. Likewise, in M shell, this number is 3. We can substitute 3 into this formula 2n square. We can get the maximum number of electrons can accommodate into this shell. Likewise, N also has the number 4, so that the maximum number of electrons can accommodate into this shell is 32. The electrons present in the outermost shell is valence electrons and the shell is valence shell. Let's have a look with molecule. A group of one or more atoms combine together form a molecule. This we can see in the next session, right? Bye.